disease that under communicable disease we have been doing. There are 4-5 diseases under communicable disease, right? And the first one is that we have started is AIDS, the cause of AIDS, the full form, what does it mean? Okay, and then it is not transmitted, how it is not transmitted, we discussed about it, and then, oh, don't disturb, hey, April Srest. And then lastly, this was I think not done. So World AIDS Day is organized on December 1st. On the 1st December, this AIDS Day is organized by awareness program throughout the world. That is why it is World AIDS Day. Okay, throughout the world it is organized. April, did you hear any sound?
Yes, sir. I'm hearing.
Yes, and that disturbs. Tell him to make silent of that. The world on the 1st December, isn't it? And then there is another ABC methods for HIV prevention. A means abstinence, not to get married or not to come contact in sexual activities. Okay, and B refers to be faithful. Okay, one should be very faithful, trustworthy, should not go wherever and should not get involved in sexual activities so as to be safe from the AIDS. Okay, and C refers what is the ABC methods for the prevention of all AIDS, for the prevention of AIDS भन्नु सोध्यो भने A भनेको abstinence यो लेख्नु पर्यो, and then B to be faithful about this sexual activity, and then C correct and consistent use of condom or contraceptives, you can say. Okay, C for use of contraceptive, B for to be faithful, A for abstinence, not to get married. Not to get married, that means. Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me. Okay. What is ABC methods of HIV AIDS? What is ABC methods for HIV AIDS prevention? For the prevention of HIV. Then you have to write
Then we will write. Sir, if that question
will be asked like what is the ABC method for the prevention of HIV AIDS भनेर सोध्यो भने A abstinence, you can write it. B be faithful, and C use of contraceptive भनेर लेख्ने हो. अनि यहाँ अहिले भनेको त मिनिङ भन्दिया मैले. एब्स्टिनेन्स भने के, टु बी फेथफुल भनेको के, अनि सी भनेको के भनेर त्यसको मिनिङ भनिदिएको मैले हैन. त्यो चाहिँ एबीसी एब्स्टिनेन्स, फेथफुल, use of contraceptives for the prevention of AIDS भनेर लेख्ने हो है. ल हो यो तीनटा याद लेखेको छ नि, हो यो याद गर्नु पर्यो, त्यति गरेपछि हुन्छ. Okay, now let's go to the next. Next disease is number 2, encephalitis. Encephalitis is a type of disease that gets swelling in our brain. Okay, that affects to our brain. Encephalitis affects to our brain. This is usually the type of virus is arbovirus. One mosquito, infected mosquito having arbovirus, if that bites to another person or us, then we'll be suffering of encephalitis. then in encephalitis what happens? Swelling or inflammation.
So what is arbovirus?
Type of virus.
What does it do?
What does it do? It
Yes, sir. What is the
yes.
negative effect?
Yes, that I am telling you. Okay, through mosquitoes, it enters into our body. Okay, and that effect goes to the brain, and brain part start swelling. टाउकोमा अनि इफेक्टिभ पार्ट्स त आउँदैछ नि अब सिम्पटममा हेडेक एन्ड फिभर अनि पहिला त यो के हुने भयो ड्यू टु स्वेलिङ अफ द ब्रेन बाई इन्फेक्टेड by the bite of an infected mosquito. This is caused. This is what we call cause. And a symptom, what happens to the person's encephalitis on the hand, okay, fatigue, muscles weakness, joint pain, pains in our joints, right? Okay, Rubina Mainali coming late. Okay. Mental and neurological disturbances. The person suffering of encephalitis, the brain swelling भएपछि उ बौला जस्तै हुन्छ severe headache and fever also goes on increasing and loss of consciousness. That means problem in speaking, hearing, talking, becomes unconscious like or irresponsible. Abnormal thinking, abnormal attitude can be shown by the person suffering of encephalitis. So these are the symptoms. This happens to the person of.
Sir, can you tell the meaning of neurological disturbance?
So, neurological, you can see in the bracket down. Okay, neurological and nerve systems and mental. Is mental. Oh, that becomes what? Unconscious. It effect केमा गर्छ ब्रेनमा अनि ब्रेनमा इफेक्ट गर्ने भएकोले यसको जीवाणुले भाइरसले ब्रेनमा इफेक्ट गर्ने भए हुनाले भेरियस न्यूरोलोजिकल डिस्टर्बेन्सेसहरु आउँछ. That means to be unconscious, abnormal attitude, problems in speaking, hearing, understanding यस्तो कुरा हुँदैन के सबै नराम्रो हुन्छ. Bad in speaking, bad in hearing, bad in understanding, bad attitude, त्यस्तो खालको abnormal activities are shown by the person, right? किनभने this attack, the virus arbovirus भनेछ नि, that attack to the brain, brain मा attack गरेपछि अनि ब्रेनले गर्ने कामहरुमा डिस्टर्बेन्सेस हुन्छ and that is known as neurological disturbances. Clear? Okay. Yes. Let's go to next.
So what is the fatigue?
Fatigue means tired, weakness, physical weakness, tired, थकै लाग्छ नि. That is. Okay, mosquito for prevention of care, since it is transferred through the medium of mosquito को व्यवस्थापन for the prevention. Okay, how can we prevent the mosquito from this disease? That mosquitoes should be destroyed. Dump भएको के अरे पुलमा ब्रिडिङ भएको त्यस्तो वरिपरि सेनिटेसन ड्रेनेजहरु सबै कुरालाई के गर्नु पर्यो ख्याल गर्नु पर्यो. डीडीटी पाउडर एन्ड इन्सेक्टिसाइड्स के भन्छ नि that should be sprayed so that they will be destroyed, mosquitoes will be destroyed. And well sanitation in the house and surrounding मा हुनु पर्यो so that mosquitoes can be destroyed. And rooms should be well ventilated, hygienic and protected by using net जालहरुमा नेटहरु लगाउनु पर्यो. Why to use net? So that enter into it, isn't it? So to be safe from the mosquito bite, एउटा अनि त्यसको लागि various means has to be applied. Okay, and last early diagnosis and medical treatment. टाउको दुख्ने बडबडाउने न्यूरोलोजिकल डिस्टर्बेन्सेस त्यस्तो भयो भने one should be taken to the hospital for the treatment. That is known as early diagnosis. टाइममै गर्यो भने it cured easily, हो दुख नपाइकन. Otherwise, if you become late to go to the hospital to consult the doctor, then there will be some other problem. When it becomes chronic, difficult to be cured correctly. That is the thing. And health education campaign should be organized time to time. गर्नु पर्यो health awareness program haru, health education campaign haru, that should be organized through hospital, sometime through INGO, NGOs, they also help, and through health center बाट पनि हुन्छ. Okay, so these are the main things for the prevention and control encephalitis disease. Next is meningitis. Encephalitis and meningitis, both these diseases are similar. Okay, both are similar. Okay, meningitis, the causes of meningitis भनेको अघि पनि brain swelling effect बाट नै हो. This in meningitis also brain central nerve system is affected. बुझ्यो? In which part of the central nerve system भन्दाखेरि अथवा brain भन्दाखेरि membrane. First, that our brain is covered or protected by the skull हड्डी. अनि हड्डीको भित्र के हुन्छ? membrane हुन्छ. That covers the brain. Absolute brain cells are being protected secondly by the membrane, and that membrane of the brain which protects the brain meninges. यहाँनिर बुझ्यो कुरा? त्यो लेयरहरु छ that protects the brain, that membrane is known as meninges. अनि when meninges are infected, that disease is known as meningitis. A membrane, a covering portion of the brain, meninges मा infection भयो भने, okay, भयो, that disease is called meningitis. Meninges are the part of the protective membrane of the brain. Did you understand? Biraj Khatri? बुझ्यो? Biraj? Biraj?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Biraj? Yes.
Okay.
Neisseria meningococci. This is the name of causative agent. This is causative agent. What is the causative agent of meningitis? You have to write this. Okay. Neisseria meningococci. This is given in your book also, I think. Okay. And the germs can be passed from one person to another person. यो एउटा बाइटबाट इन्फेक्सन हुने भयो हो. अनि अरु कारणले पनि मेनिन्जाइटिस हो.
सर यो पनि मस्किटोले सार्न सक्छ?
हो, you are right. हो, there are two ways. एउटा through mosquito भयो. Another thing, listen. अब मस्किटोले that infected or transferred to, suppose you have got meningitis. It means you are infected of meningitis. अब मेनिन्जाइटिस भइसकेपछि देन थ्रु योर कफिङ स्निजिङ अनि थ्रु योर क्लोज कन्ट्याक्ट फिजिकल कन्ट्याक्ट विथ समबडी एल्स अदर एल्स तिम्रो भाइ बहिनीहरू प्यारेन्ट्सहरूमा त्यो सम्पर्कमा आयो भने एन्ड दिस इज ट्रान्सफर्ड
Okay, sir.
फर्स्टमा थ्रु इन्फेक्टेड मस्किटो एन्ड सेकेन्डमा इन्फेक्टेड पर्सन टु एनदर पर्सन हो इन्फेक्टेड एनदर पर्सन टु एनदर पर्सनमा थ्रु वाट कफिङ स्निजिङ यस्तो यो जस्तो हुन्छ नि के अरे अहिले भएको कोरोना
Corona.
फर्स्टमा चाहिँ यो के अरे थ्रु बाइट्स अफ मस्किटो भयो अनि सेकेन्डमा चाहिँ थ्रु लाइक कोरोना ओके नेक्स्ट इज symptoms what happens to the person suffering of meningitis भन्दा severe headache vomiting high fever this thing happen in the beginning stiffness in the neck swelling दुख्ने or rigid type of our neck you cannot move up and down or side to the neck in our neck and severe headache this thing happen and difficult to bend and move एकदम अलिक कडा हुन्छ त्यो as compared to encephalitis this is very dangerous okay and then sudden attacks that is known as seizures in lower vertebra हाम्रो तलको lower part of the vertebra त्यो vertebral backbone छ नि lower portion of the backbone may be collapsed or seizures that means attack severe attack on the lower part of the vertebra हैन backbone माथि हुन्छ and then person may go in paralysis also त्यस्तो खालको डेन्जरस पनि हुन्छ okay the symptoms start to be seen usually from 4 to 5 after getting infection that incubation period you can say is 4-5 within a week will be suffering of meningitis or symptoms can be of getting infection of first day जुन पहिलो दिनमा जुन इन्फेक्सन भयो त्यसको 4-5 दिन the symptoms can be seen okay then let's go to next prevention and control अब के गर्नु पर्ला vaccine another important thing is what vaccines of meningitis should be taken timely okay and patient be admitted to the nearest hospital immediately because the symptoms become very severe and should be admitted nearest hospital very quickly without any delay right okay and disinfection of all the articles and discharge उसका क्लोज कन्ट्याक्ट के बाट सर्छ भने थियौ नि अघि हामीले स्निजिङ स्पुटम
Mosquito.
या हो
Close contact.
त्योलाई मस्किटो बाइटबाट पनि के गर्नु पर्यो प्रिभेन्ट हुनु पर्यो प्रिभेन्ट गर्नु एन्ड देन सेकेन्डली द थिङ्स युज बाई आर्टिकल्स भनेको थिङ्स भेरियस थिङ्स गुड्स के हुन् अटेन्सिल्स यु क्यान से डिस्चार्जेस अफ द पेसेन्ट सुड बी डन केयरफुली होसियारसँग लाइक इट इज लाइक कोरोना second number is like that okay first person to be taken to the hospital and then before that vaccine लिनुपर्यो time to time अब यो फैलिन लागेको छ भन्ने थाहा पाउनु छ vaccine to be taken from the health post health center of meningitis or of को vaccine लिनुपर्यो then र पनि मान्छेलाई person is suffering of then should be consulted or admitted to the hospital and then this infection of all the articles things discharges of the patient राम्रो होशियार छ त्योलाई डिसइन्फेक्ट गर्नुपर्यो so this is all about meningitis so we are until now we have finished B okay infection caused by the